Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to make Celsius to Kelvin converter in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to start writing the program, I am going to use VS Code, but you can use any IDE of your own personal choice. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply conversion.py. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to take input from the user. That is, we have to take the temperature input from the user in Celsius. So let's have a variable. Let's say the variable name is simply C, which denotes basically Celsius. Now let's have the input, and we know that in Python we can take the input from the user with the help of input function. So we will basically write input and then we will give the comment. So whatever thing we will write inside this double quotes, that will be displayed to the user over in the terminal. So let's write enter the temperature in Celsius. Now we know that in Python this function will give us string. So even if let's say the user provides us 32, then that 32 won't be an integer type, but that will be stored as a string inside C variable, which won't serve our purpose, right? So the way how we will deal with it is to cast the data type. So what we will do is we will simply cast this to our desired data type. And over in this situation, we know that we need to cast it to floating type. Then there is a high chance that the temperature can have floating points or decimal points, right? So let's cast it like this. So see, this is how we will cast it. So as of now, we know that we are asking the user to provide us the temperature in Celsius, and that temperature or that Celsius value, we are putting it inside a variable called C. Now our main thing comes, which is the conversion part. So we are aware that 1 Kelvin is equals to 1 Celsius plus 273.15. So we know that if we add 273.15 to the temperature in Celsius, then that will basically give us what? So that will basically give us the temperature in Kelvin. So let's have a variable called K, which will store the value in Kelvin like this. And now let's simply print it like this. So we'll write else, comma, and the variable name K. So this is how we can perform this conversion. Now let's run and see if it works. So we know that in Python how we can run any program. So we'll simply write Python and the file name. So over here our file name is conversion.py, and see it's asking me to enter the temperature in Celsius. So let's give simply let it be 1, and boom, here you can see that it's telling me that the same temperature in Kelvin is 274.15. Let's have another test case. Let's in this situation give it 0. Now you can see that it's telling that the temperature is 273.15. So this is how we can perform the conversion of Celsius to Kelvin in Python. So this was all about the video. I hope you understood the things very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.